How are we looking up there? There's no damn way. I can't see that. I'm using this camera so I could actually see what I'm working on. I did all this blind. Remove this, clean this, whatever. I'm down here like this. This is all I could see. So there's the new one. There's the old one. Man, look how much I fucked it up trying to get it out. I did it all wrong. You just gotta actually get the screwdriver in there properly and just twist it sideways. I was trying to go in and lift and use the back surface of the seal to not damage the mating surface. But really what you gotta do is you go put the screwdriver in straight and then twist it like that. So the edge of the screwdriver just lightly lifts on the lip, and I swear the seal will just pop right out. I tried for 2 days trying to pry it out and it would not pry out. And then I seen a video by a guy called Ken Sweden, and he kind of went into detail on how he was doing the same thing, and yeah, and that thing just popped right out so easy. I can't believe it took me 2 days to get it done. Alright, so let's just go put this new seal back in and be done with this. Alright, word to Ken Sweden, what up? Okay, so I got a short socket on there, just big enough to fit the seal, and there's just enough room for me to, I can't really hold the camera while I'm doing it, but I can lightly tap the seal down. So I'll put the camera down for a minute. How did I do? Because I don't know, I can't see it. Let's get the camera up there. A light. Is the seal in? That looks like it. Could maybe go in a tiny bit more. I don't know. Wait until I can actually see. C'est vidéo. Cannot you let see maintenant, huh? Okay, well, last final check. It appears to be in quite well. Did I get it? Is it in all the way? I think so. So next we'll fill it up with transmission fluid. Just make sure it's not leaking. I got the seal pressed back in there, tapped in. Filled it up with some transmission fluid. This is a couple hours later now. Not seeing anything leaking out at all. So I'd say we're okay to start reinstalling the shift linkage. Okay, looks pretty clean, right? No fluid leaking, hopefully. Can't really see up there. I'll check in the camera later. Pretty sure it looked good. Okay, so yeah, we'll pop the linkage back on there and get this bad boy back on the ground.
Yeah.